world, welcome to Decode Mania. I am Sahil and I have started how to develop an image gallery application using Bootstrap 5, jQuery, PHP and MySQL. And this is the third video of this series. In previous video you have seen that how I have designed this page using Bootstrap 5. Now today in this video I am going to show you how to create database and table for this application, how to connect this application with database, and also how to define some utility methods. Okay, so let's start. So first I will create database and table for this application. So for this, open your PHP MyAdmin. So this is my PHP MyAdmin. So just click on new, and in database name I will write image underscore gallery. Okay, now click on create. Now inside this database I will create a table with name gallery. Okay, and click on go. Now first column will be ID and type will be int. Make this column auto increment and primary key. Now next column will be alt underscore text and type will be varchar, length will be 255. Okay, now next column will be image underscore path, type will be varchar and length will be 255. Okay, now click on save. So our database and table is ready. Okay, now open your project. Okay, so this is our project. Now first I will create a file config.php. okay, now inside this file I will define a class to connect this application with the database. Okay, so for this what I will do is just open PHP tags, and here I will define a class config, and inside this class I will declare some member variable. Actually not member variable, I will define some member constant. Okay, so here I will use private const db host equal to localhost and private const db user equal to root, and private const db pass equal to blank, private const db name, database name is image underscore gallery. Okay, now create one more member variable dsn. Okay, and here I am using MySQL database, so we have to create a data source network of MySQL and database. Okay, so here you can write data source network. Okay, data source network, and here I will write MySQL host equal to and here we have to use self scope resolution operator and db host constant. Okay, similarly we will use db name equal to, and here just use self db name. Okay, so the dsn is ready. Now declare one more member variable protected con equal to null. Okay, now here I will use a constructor method for connecting to the database. Okay, so here I will use method for connection to the database. Okay, and here I will use public function double underscore construct. Okay, now inside this method I will use try and catch block. Okay, so in catch I will use video exception to catch any exception. Okay, so here I will use die error and here I will print the exception message using this object and call this get message method. Okay, now in try block I will access connection variable and I will assign with video class. Okay, now in this video class I will pass three parameter. First is dsn, sorry, this dsn, and next is database username, so just pass self scope resolution operator db user. Similarly we have to pass db pass. Okay, now next I will also set some attribute. Okay, so just use set attribute and video after fetch default fetch mode will be video fetch sop. Okay, and for testing I am just going to write echo connected successfully, sorry, successfully. Okay, now to check we have to create an object of this class, so just here I will use $ob equal to new config. Okay, name of the class. Save this, go to your browser and here just write the file name config.php. okay, so here you can see the connected successfully message. It means this class is working fine and our application is now connected with the database. Okay, now next what I will do is I will create another file util.php. now inside this file I will define some utility method. Okay, so for this I will also define a class util. Now inside this class first I will define a method for input sanitization. Okay, so first I will write a comment method for input sanitization, sorry, sanitization. Okay, and here I will write public function test input, and here I will pass a parameter data. Okay, and here I will assign date, I will use data and assign trim and just pass data, sorry, and next data equal to strip slashes data. Now this trim method will remove all white spaces from the input field string. Okay, and this strip slashes will remove any slashes from the input string. And last HTML special char. Now just use return data. Okay, so this method is ready. Now next we will define another method for displaying success and error, sorry, error message. Okay, so here I will write public function so message, and here I will pass two parameter, one is type and second one is message. Okay, now here I will use return, and here I will create a div, sorry, div. Now just assign some bootstrap class. I will use bootstrap 5 alert. Okay, so here in class I will use alert alert. Now alert will be dynamic, so here I will concatenate this type parameter. Okay, and next here I will use alert dismissible, alert dismissible. Okay, and one more class fade, and then so, and I will also use role equal to, sorry, alert. Okay, now inside this div I will use strong tag, and inside this strong I will display the message, so just use message. Now I will also display the close button. Okay, so for this I will use button tag, and here I will use type equal to button and class btn close. Okay, and data hyphen bs hyphen dismiss equal to alert. Okay, and area label equal to close. Now our both methods are ready. Okay, so we will use these two methods in later videos. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to upload image. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe this channel. See you soon in next video.